I'm going to show you how to take a regular sheet of newspaper with a round container and a jar and show you how to press it into this nice seedling planter or plant starter pot. Simple and easy with only using the newspaper. So we have our sheet. I'm going to fold it up about a third. Fold it down about a third. Then we're going to turn it. You want to make sure when you pull this out that this is overlapping here. That's important. And then we just put this in here. So it's about a third of the way up. And we just roll it up all the way. And then stick the ends in here. Just like that. Pull this out. Push the container back in the hole. Put it inside the jar and give it a good turn, 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 and then take it out of the container to plant seeds in. It's that simple and easy. And so once you have your round containers ready to go, just want to put the seedling mix into the container and shake it down, pat it down a little bit, and then just make a hole in the middle and put in your seed. That's all there is to making your own planters from newspaper.